to my channel. Today I thought I'll show you how to make a very simple Anglo-Indian sweet mango pickle. So I have diced the mangoes and now I'm going to just add salt and keep them overnight, and tomorrow we are going to make the pickle. So just keep watching. So I'm just going to add like 2 tablespoons of salt to these diced mangoes and going to let them soak overnight. Just let them soak overnight in this salt solution, and we'll make the pickle tomorrow. So hi everybody, back again to show you how to make our Anglo-Indian sweet mango pickle today. First of all, I'll take you through the ingredients. So first of all, we need 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted fenugreek and mustard powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 cup of sugar, about 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup of vinegar. I'm using just ordinary white synthetic vinegar, and 1 cup of oil. So 1 cup of oil. So we'll begin by making a paste of all our powders in a bowl. We'll add half the quantity of vinegar to this, and we'll make it into a paste. Make it like a slurry with half the quantity of vinegar. So our paste is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll add the oil, 1 cup of oil, to a pan. We let it get hot a little bit. And we'll add in our chopped garlic. So once this starts frying and becomes a little brown, we are going to add in a ginger garlic paste. So let's just wait for 5 minutes till it turns a little brown. As you can see, the garlic is turning a nice golden brown. So at this stage, I'm lowering the heat and I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. Be careful, it would flutter. So keep frying till you see that the raw smell goes. And now what we do is we add in the prepared paste that we had mixed in earlier. Okay, keep stirring well so that your masala doesn't burn and it fries well. This may take around like 3 minutes. Now we can add in the remaining vinegar by just adding it to this residue that's in the bowl, and we'll add it here. Okay, now we can add in a little salt. We'll just add in first like a tablespoon and then maybe some more. Okay, you can see the pickle masala is really looking good. Let it cook for a few minutes. Okay, now this is the mangoes that we soaked yesterday. It's about 3 cups of mangoes. It's given out a lot of water, so we don't add this water in the pickle. So we'll try to remove as much of the water, strain it out as we can before adding the mangoes in. You could strain it out earlier if you like. But I wanted you to see how much of water is there. The salt water that came out of the mangoes. We can always add salt later because the mangoes have soaked in salt, so we don't want to add extra salt. Okay, you can see how much of water has come out. Almost a cup of water. So we are just throwing this away. And now we'll stir this. Now this has to cook till the mangoes turn soft. We can at this stage add in our sugar, because this is a sweet mango pickle. It will help to caramelize everything together. Okay, so now this has to cook. I've used 1 cup of oil. If you feel that the oil is too much, you can always reduce it. Okay, so now we're going to let this cook. So I've raised the heat and it's coming to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'll reduce the heat and let it simmer. And this may take another 5-6 minutes till the mangoes turn soft and are cooked. So this is our way of making Anglo-Indian cooked pickle, because we fry the masalas and then put in the mango pieces. We don't do it raw. And if you want, you could increase the chilli powder or any of the other ingredients as per your taste. And you could also add some green chilies if you like. Okay, you can see that our mangoes are now cooked. They are quite soft. And the pickle is ready. Just look at it, isn't it awesome? So now it's time to switch off and let this pickle cool and draw in all the beautiful Anglo-Indian sweet mango pickle flavors. So I just want you to see how beautiful it would look in a glass plate. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to use so much of oil, please reduce it. I used 1 cup. You could always use less than this. So this is our awesome Anglo-Indian sweet mango pickle. A sweet mango pickle is ready. You can enjoy this with your rice and curry, even eat it with chapatis. Oh, makes excellent filling as a sandwich as well. So go ahead, do try it. You can see it was very easy. And please, if you like this video, please like and share it. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please tell your friends to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching. Good day.